Okay, everyone, I am so done with kids pulling fire alarms for fun in schools across this country. I am done with that. Because what those kids are doing is really bad. They are risking people's lives somewhere else. They are causing panic. And those kids should be suspended, expelled, and grounded by their parents. And when they are no longer kids and they are adults at 18 years old and older, they should be fined and arrested by the police. Because pulling the fire alarm is a very serious crime and will get you arrested. Fire alarms are not something to play with unless you have them in your house, but in a public building like a school, they are not something to play with. They are to protect the safety of people inside the building. So, fire alarms should never ever be messed with outside of your own house. Even if you are going to somebody else's house and they have a fire alarm set up in their house, you still do not tamper with that because are they your alarms? No, they are not. So, you don't tamper with them. Especially true in a public building. Only do it with your alarms at home. Not somebody else's alarms at their house, and especially not with public building alarms. In fact, false fire alarms caused by people pulling them for fun are so bad that stopper covers over pull stations need to be mandatory at this point, especially in areas where they can be at risk of being tampered with. And those stopper covers have a alarm that sounds when you lift them, and before you say, once you lift the cover and you hear a you think that the fire alarm is already going off. No, that is not the fire alarm. That alarm is there to deter people from pulling it for fun. So, if there is a real fire emergency, or if you are doing a fire drill or a test of the system, make sure you lift the cover and you're going to get that and people say, alright, the fire alarm is already going off. Nope, you have to lift that cover and then you pull the box on the inside. Then the fire alarm will go off. Only lifting the cover does not cause the fire alarm to go off. Even though people assume it would, but it doesn't. Bye.